Yes.
Okay, fine. Yes. Yes, Abdur. What idea do you have regarding this chapter? Then obviously we are going to discuss in detail, but just to have some brief from you.
Yes.
Can you tell me what idea do you have regarding this and anything related to this chapter?
Um, I don't
Don't be
remember.
hesitant. Whatever you know, whatever you don't know, that's fine. Just any idea, say yes or no.
I don't remember actually.
Okay, fine, no issue. That's all fine. So let's try to start from the big. See, we in this chapter, what is our main concern that we are going to study some of the products that we actually get from the oil. But for that, we will first study what an oil is, what is the composition of that oil, how do we derive oil, where do we get it from. Fine. So that is our main concern in this chapter. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So let's try to start from the oil first. Fine. Oil first. Let's first see oil here refers to the crude oil, which is also called as petroleum and not petrol. There's a difference. Please be mindful of this. It is also called as
Okay.
petroleum and not petrol. Petrol is a different thing. We'll study about it afterwards. But this oil here refers to the crude oil. Generally, it is called as the crude oil, but also at times it is called as the petroleum. Beta, what are you doing?
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Are you doing something else also?
No.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So oil here refers to the crude oil or the petroleum. Fine. Now we want to see
Okay.
this crude oil. How is it formed? Why is it formed? What is the composition of this oil? And how can we have such good important uses of this oil? Fine. So now
Okay.
crude oil. Let's try to go to the basics first. I'm going to cover some of the basics here. That is fossil fuel. Do you know what a Abdullah? Are you there?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ma'am. Join aja? Ano?
Yes, Abdul. Where did you go?
My battery went off. Sorry.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So now can we start, beta? If all is fine with you?
Yes.
Yes.
Now it's fine. Now it's perfectly.
See, is it visible? Yes, I think it is. Yes, it is visible. Fine. So we
Yes,
are
it is.
going to go to discuss what is fossil fuel. So do you have any idea regarding fossil fuels?
Um. They. Um.
Yeah, no issue. See, we try to understand. Fuels obviously fuel is anything that when burned can give you energy. Okay? When burned
Yes.
can give you energy. That is a different thing. Now,
Yeah.
important type of fuel that we are going to study is a fossil fuel. Fine. What do we mean by fossil? See, let's try to separate these two words and then try to understand. What is a fossil, beta? Fossil is the dead remains of plants and animals. Fine.
Okay. So they decompose and they become fossil fuels.
Yeah, you're not clear, but I don't know what you're saying. So here I can also say dead remains of organic matter.
Okay.
Fine. Now tell me, is it clear to you what a fossil is? Dead remains of plants?
Yes.
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 And do you
Yeah.
understand that why do we call it organic matter?
Um.
Not clear. Please be louder and clear.
Because.
See, look here. Living organisms, any type of living organism, even that is single cell, that is a complex tissue or whatever that is fine. Any type of living organisms, they have carbon compounds in it. Fine. And that is why carbon, anything made up of carbon is referred to as organic compounds. Fine. Okay. Organic
Okay.
organic compounds is nothing but that made from carbon. Okay. Made from carbon is the main atom. Is it okay with you?
Yes.
Organic matter, that is compounds made up of carbon, are present in each and every type of living organism. Is it okay? Fine.
Yes.
So what happens when the dead remains of plants and animals are there? That means it will have the organic matter. Can I say this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is why fossils, they are organic in nature. I mean, they are organic compounds only. But the dead remains, which are buried for many millions of years, then they are called as fossils. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So can I say that these fossils, beta, fossils, what type of compounds are they? Can I say they contain organic compounds?
Yeah.
Can I say this?
Yes.
And when I say that these fossils, they are organic compounds, so can I say that the fuels, when it is used as a fuel, that means the organic compounds in these fuels, they are burned to give energy?
Yes.
That these organic compounds, they are burned and hence used as fuels to give us some energy? Can I say
Yeah.
this? Fine. So I'm hoping
Yes.
that the concept of fossil fuel is clear. Now, fossil fuel, beta, are you okay now? Settled in? There's quite a much disturbance in the class.
No. Yeah. Fine.
Yeah, fine. So please be a bit focused, fine. So now when we have discussed what do we mean by fossil fuels, fine. Now you have understood what do we mean by fossil fuels?
Yeah.
And just make one point very strongly in your mind, that is, whenever fossil fuel is being talked about, it is all about organic compounds.
Okay.
And organic compounds is nothing but the compounds which are mainly made up of
Organic. Like. Car-
what is the atom which is the main compound of which is the main component of organic compounds?
Carbon. Carbon.
Carbon, very good. So that is made up of carbon. Fine. Now, when we have understood what fossil fuels are, now let's discuss.
Yeah.
So there are three main types of fossil fuels. Okay. Three main
Okay.
types of fossil fuels. That is coal, fine. Crude oil, also called as oil, fine. Can just write it as oil. And then there is natural gas, fine.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now, when we are saying that there are three types of fossil fuels, that means all of them must have been made from the organic matter. Must have been made from the organic matter. Fine. But the nature of the organic matter for crude oil and natural gas is same. And the nature of the organic matter for coal is different. Is it okay with you?
Yeah.
That is the same way if I ask you, there are three types of three bikes is standing right in front of you. Okay. One is of a different
Okay.
company, the other two are of the same country, same company. Fine. All three of them are bikes. All three of them are bikes. But the nature of bikes is different. Can I say that?
Yeah.
So in the same way here, coal, crude oil and natural gas, all are fossil fuels, all are made up of organic compounds, but the nature of the organic compounds is different. Can I say this? Yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. Now let's try to understand why is it different. See, it's a very brief, but just try to understand it. Coal. How was coal made? Coal was made when forest of like over of a large area, fine. They decompose and they actually gave rise to coal. See, forest obviously will be having plants and trees.
Yes.
They are living beings, they are living organisms, yes. They will be
Yes.
having carbon, that is, they will be having organic compounds.
Yes.
Coal is also a type of fossil fuel, which is having organic compound, but the nature is that it is made from the forest. Fine. It is made by
Yes.
the decomposition of forest. Can I say this? Yes. But with
Yes.
crude oil and natural gas, beta, they were made from when tiny sea or ocean living organisms, including plants and animals. Can I say plants and creatures? When they were actually dead and they actually came down to the ocean bed and they were actually deposited over by layers of sand and silt, and they kept on decaying, and then that gave rise to oil and natural gas. Is it okay? This is
Yeah.
just very brief. So can you understand clearly the difference here? Forest, they were made from the coal that was made from the forest, yes.
Yeah.
Crude oil and natural gas, they had organic matter from the oceans and seas, yes.
Yes.
So can I say the nature is different, but all of them have
Yes.
organic compounds?
Yes.
Fine. So now our main focus is oil. So we are going to focus on the crude oil and the natural gas. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So now exactly let's see what happened. See, what happened over millions and millions years ago, there were oceans and seas all around us. Okay. There was a large portion of the earth had oceans and seas. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Now then what happened, they had small living creatures. They were not as complex as we have today as human beings, but they were unicellular, very small living organisms. Okay,
Okay.
now what happened, they had these small creatures, plants and animals, all of them, fine. And when actually due to some natural phenomena, they died and they sank to the ocean bed or the seabed. Okay, they sank here to the seabed. Are you able to understand it?
Yes.
Now, over time, what actually kept on happening is that the layers of salt and silt they kept on getting deposited on this ocean bed. Are you able to understand it?
Yeah.
Can I say that here the pressure was obviously increasing? If things are being obviously deposited over and over again, can I say that the pressure gets increasing?
Yes.
Yes, and obviously the temperature and pressure, when they kept on increasing, there was high temperature, there was high pressure. And can I say that the decomposition here was not a very normal one? Why? Because obviously the oxygen was not very easily reaching here. Do you understand it? So it was sort of
Yes.
an anaerobic decomposition. Fine.
Yeah.
Yes. So all of this actually gave rise to oil. These aquatic or the sea organisms slowly and slowly under high pressure, under high temperature, converted to oil. You understand it?
Yes.
Oil and natural gas both are found together mostly. I hope
Okay.
the thing is clear.
Yes.
Yes. Now, when obviously the oil is obviously made from the remains of organisms, that means oil will
Yes.
have organic compounds.
Yeah.
Oil will have organic compounds. Yes.
Yes.
Now, what kind of organic compounds are present in the oil? What kind of organic compounds are present in the oil? Majority of the compounds found in the oil, they are a type of hydrocarbon. They are a type of
Okay.
hydrocarbon
Hydrocarbon.
compound. See, let me just clear this one thing. Hydrocarbon compounds are a type of organic compounds. They are not same as organic compounds. Are a type of organic compounds. Is it clear?
Okay.
Fine.
Yes.
There can be many different types of organic compounds, but hydrocarbon compounds are a type of organic compounds. Is it?
Okay. Yes.
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 Now let's discuss something about the hydrocarbon compounds. Okay.
Okay.
See, hydrocarbon compounds are the compounds, I think by the name you can actually see that the compounds which have hydrogen and carbon together. Which have hydrogen and the
Carbon together.
carbon together. Now, if you know, do you know a bit of organic bonding? Do you know that? How are organic compounds formed?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm ready to discuss it if you have any problem with it.
No.
Fine. So when a carbon is there, obviously it will have 4 bonds. Yes, it will have 4 bonds.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it actually uses hydrogen, which just needs 1 bond to fulfill its valency, and then it keeps on bonding to other carbon and hydrogen atoms. Can I say this?
Yes.
So this is nothing but hydrocarbon compounds. And this is a type of organic compound. Yes?
Yes.
So the oil that is our main focus here in this chapter, oil is majorly made up of the different hydrocarbon compounds. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So now these different hydrocarbon compounds are when actually, taken out from oil in a refined form, they are actually used to make many different new products or also used simply as fuels. Okay. I hope you
Okay.
understood the basics still here.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to go deeper. Fine. So
Okay.
hydrocarbon compounds. Let us see. It's a bit complicated. Just try to understand. Hydrocarbon compounds are a type of organic compounds. Yes.
Yes.
Organic compounds are the compounds which have carbon as the main compound. It can be bonded with any other atom. Fine. The
Okay.
hydrocarbon compounds are the type of organic compounds in which hydrogen is bonded to carbon. Yes.
Yes.
So one type of hydrocarbon compound is alkane. What is it?
Alkane.
Alkane. Yes. Do you have any idea regarding alkane?
No.
I think Abdur, you are stuck, but I can't hear you.
No, I don't. Can you? I know. I have heard of it, but can you explain what's mean?
Oh, yeah, yes, I can show you. No issues. Just let me know. Fine. So, what are alkanes? Now, let's try to understand alkanes. See, we just now said it is a type of hydrocarbon compounds. That means it will just have carbon and hydrogen together bonded to each other.
No.
Abdur, what are you doing, beta?
Nothing. I'm listening.
Yeah, what are you doing on the screen? Your hands are there all on the screen.
Nothing.
Yeah, now it's fine. Yes. So, what I'm saying is that hydrocarbon compounds will have just carbon and hydrogen bonded to each other.
Yes.
Now in alkane, we have to see how are they bonded. Fine. How are they bonded? So alkanes are the compounds in which there is just single bond between carbon and carbon. And then accordingly, the need hydrogen is there. Fine. Hydrogen is there. If I say there's just one carbon, can you tell me how many hydrogen atoms will be used here?
2. No,
Beta,
sorry. 1. 5. 5.
4 beta, 4. One carbon atom can just make 4 bonds. Be very
Oh,
clear.
okay.
One carbon atom can just make 4 bonds. Fine.
Okay.
Now, this carbon atom has to make 4 bonds. There is nothing else with carbon, so it will just have 4 bonds with the hydrogen atoms only. And one hydrogen can just have 1 bond. Fine. One hydrogen atom can just have 1 bond. So one hydrogen atom here bonds one bonds with the carbon. Then it will need how many? 4 hydrogen. Yes.
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So all these are examples of alkanes. Alkanes. Fine. Is it okay?
Yes.
What is the general formula for alkane? See, the number of N here means the number of carbon atoms, fine. The number of hydrogen atoms will be 2N plus 2. Example, if I take N here as say 2, that means there will be 2 carbon atoms. Can I say this?
Yes.
How many hydrogen atoms will be there? Please help me calculate with this formula.
Uh, uh,
Here N is what? 2.
yes.
To
So
calculate it,
4. 4.
Beta, see 2n. That means 2 into 2.
4.
2 into 2 plus 2. How much do we get?
8.
Beta, 2 into 2, that means 4. Yes? 4
Yes.
plus 2. What is the result?
6.
So, beta, just 6 hydrogen atoms. Now, let's try to understand why are there 6 hydrogen atoms. See, I make 2 carbon atoms. Fine. How many carbon atoms we are taking? 2. Let's try to
2.
bond them. There will be one bond between them, as is in the case of alkanes. Yes?
Yes.
Now tell me, for this hydrogen, this carbon atom, fine? This carbon atom. How many hydrogen atoms are needed now? Just remember, one carbon atom can have how many bonds at maximum?
2.
Beta,
3. 3. 3.
at maximum, how many bonds can be there with one carbon atom? We just now discussed it. What is it written here?
4.
4. Abdur, where are you? Yeah. So one carbon atom can have maximum of 4 bonds. So one bond is already there, right, with other carbon atom. So how many does it need now?
4. 6. 4 more.
Beta 3 na, in total 4 can be there. One is already there, right? Are you able to understand it or not?
I am. I am able
No.
to.
First of all, tell me, were you playing before this class?
No.
Okay. Like, were you playing some good sports before this class?
No, I was not. I was studying with my maths.
Okay, fine, no issues. See, be there in the class mentally. Just pull yourself up. I'm saying one carbon atom can have maximum of 4 bonds. Okay,
Okay.
fine. One here is already bonded with other carbon atom. Yes. Just remember, one carbon atom can have 4 hands. Fine, and those 4 hands have to be there. Fine. One hand here is already joined with another carbon atom.
Yes.
How many else does it need?
3.
Yes. So 3 hydrogen atoms. Yes. Now let's see for this carbon atom. 4 hands can be there. How many is bonded? How many bond is already bonded? 1 is already there. Yes.
3 carbons are bonded.
3 hydrogen beta, not carbon. Yes. You understand
Yes.
this? Now calculate.
Yes.
This is a total compound.
C2 had 6.
Yes. And this is something that we calculated.
Yes.
Are you able to understand it?
Yeah.
Fine. Yes.
Yes.
So now let's try. I say there's just one carbon atom. You will tell me the structure and the formula. There's just one carbon atom. Fine. How many bonds does it need to have?
4.
4. Fine. As you say, 1, 2, 3, 4. What will it bond itself with? What will it bond itself with?
Hydrogen.
Okay. How many hydrogen atoms will be there?
6.
Why 6?
Because.
Let us see. There are just 4 bonds. Yes. There will be just 4 atoms of hydrogen.
Okay.
Yeah. So can you tell me the formula here? It is CH4.
Yes.
1 carbon atom and how many hydrogen atoms?
4.
4. And the name of this compound is methane. Fine.
We have methane.
Meth means 1 carbon atom. Fine. Ane is a meaning of alkane. Okay.
Okay.
So meth. Now let's see. Two carbon atoms. Now tell me what will be the formula here and its structure. What are you doing in the class, Abdul? What is this thing
Nothing.
coming on the screen?
Nothing. Nothing.
What is there coming on this screen like all the emojis?
No, I'm not doing anything.
So now tell me here, in this carbon atom,
Okay.
yes, in this carbon atom, can you tell me the number of hydrogen atoms needed?
6.
In one carbon atom,
In one, 3.
very good. 3. And in here,
3.
very good. So overall, does it become C2H6?
Yes.
The name of this compound is ethane. Fine.
Ethane.
Eth means 2 carbon atoms. Ane obviously means alkane. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want you to tell me something else. I am saying that there are 3 carbon atoms. Okay. 3 carbon atoms. And you will
Okay.
tell me how are they bonded. You will tell me.
Okay.
Yes. Go ahead.
One.
Ajay, tell me, listen. Will there be some bonding between these carbon atoms?
Yes.
Yes. How? This will be bonded to this one.
Yes.
And this will be bonded to this one.
Yes.
Now this one is already bonded to this one. This is already bonded to this.
Yeah.
Fine. Now tell me, this is one carbon atom, this is second carbon atom, this is third carbon atom. Fine. Just for the sake of naming. Can you tell me in
Yes.
the first carbon atoms, are all the bonds there or does it need some other bonds?
Um. All are there. No, it needs one more.
What should I add?
One more carbon atom.
Beta, what has happened to you, Abdul? I don't know whether you are there in the class. See, it will need 3 hydrogen atoms. 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond, 4 bond. I told you this. You tell me who taught you this organic chemistry?
J in the school.
In the school, not in Learnivio still?
No.
Okay, fine. So in the school, is it not taught that there are 4 atoms, so 4 bonds of 1 carbon atom? Okay. No issue.
Okay.
We'll try to learn it. There are 4 bonds of 1 carbon atom. Okay. How many bonds? 4 bonds. Okay. Now, if you see clearly, one here bond is already bonded to another carbon atom. Yes. I already told you there are 3 carbon atoms in the compound. Yes. Beta, for this one, so there are 3 bonds left. Yes.
Yes.
Now for second carbon atom, tell me. In total, it can have 4. Yes. How many are already bonded?
We are already bonded.
How are 3 already bonded? Tell me. Which one?
The carbon atoms.
You are not clear. Be louder.
The carbon atoms.
Beta, in this carbon atom, see, second carbon atom, one is bonded like this. The other
Yes.
bond is there. It still needs 2 bonds, yes, of hydrogen.
Yes.
Now this will want 3 again. One is bonded already. So this is the structure. Now tell me the formula here. How many carbon atoms in total?
C3H. H8.
H.
8.
8. Very good. This is propane. What is it?
Propane.
Prop means 3 carbon atoms. Okay. Ane is already alkane. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
If I tell you there are 4 carbon atoms in a compound, fine.
Okay.
You will tell me, please better tell me.
4
What?
carbon atoms.
Yes.
There will be 4 carbon atoms.
How will they be bonded? What will be the bonding? What will be the structure? Please tell me.
There will be 4 carbon atoms, and then to those 4 carbon atoms.
Like this?
Yes.
Now what do I do?
Now add the hydrogen atoms.
Okay. Can I just directly add the hydrogen atoms?
No, we have to bond the carbon.
Okay. Should we bond carbon-carbon first to each other?
Yes.
Okay. So should I join this to this one?
Yes.
Should I join this one to this one?
Yes. One. Yes.
And this one to this one?
Yes.
Now tell me, see, I am calling this carbon atom the first carbon atom, fine? Just the name, or
Yes.
say the A carbon atom. This is the A carbon atom, fine? Now, can you tell me in A carbon atoms, how many bonds are already there for A carbon atom?
How many? What did you say?
I'm saying how many bonds are already there for A carbon atom?
One.
One. How many does it need more?
It needs 3 more.
Very good. What should they be? They should be hydrogen bonding, yes?
Hydrogen. Yes.
Can I add 3 hydrogens to A atom?
Yes.
Very good. Now coming to the B atom, fine. How many bonds are already there with this B atom?
1.
Check it.
No. Wait. 2. 2.
Very good. So how many does it need more?
2 more.
Like this?
Yes.
Come to the C1. How many
2 are
bonds?
bonded. 2 carbon bonded.
2 are already there. It just needs 2
Yes.
more.
Yes.
And that fourth one, the D1.
It is 1 carbon bonded.
Yeah. So how many does it need more?
2, 3 more.
Very good. What should they be of? Should they be hydrogen?
Yes.
Tell me the formula. How many carbon atoms in total?
C4H10.
Very good. Very good, Abdul. And this is butane. This is butane. Bute
Yes.
means
Okay.
4 carbon atoms. Okay.
Yes.
Now tell me, is it clear? Is it clear, beta?
Yes.
Now, can we try once more? One more compound?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
I see there are 5 carbon atoms in a compound and the compound is alkane. Okay. The compound is
Okay.
alkane and you will tell me
Okay.
the structure. Yes, 5 carbon atoms.
Okay.
Please tell me.
There will be 5 carbon atoms bonded together.
Should I draw 5 like this?
Yes.
Now what do I do?
We bond them together.
To each other?
Yes.
Okay, like this.
Yeah.
Should this one be bonded to the next one also?
Yes.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, then tell me, in this one, that is A, B, C, D, E. These are 5 carbon atoms. These are the names of it. Right?
Yes.
Tell me
Yes.
in A carbon atom, how many bonds of carbon-carbon are already there?
1.
So this bond is called as a carbon-carbon bond. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So since this is a type of hydrocarbon compound, there can only be hydrogen and carbon. Yes.
Yes.
Carbon-carbon bonding already present. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, does it need any other bond?
Hydrogen bond.
How many?
3.
Very good. Very good, Abdul. Now, coming to the B carbon, how many are already there?
2 bonds are there.
Can
with
you tell me what are the name of those 2 2 bonds present?
carbon?
Very good. So they are carbon-carbon bonds. Very good.
Yes.
How many does it need?
2 more.
What bonds will be that?
Hydrogen.
Very good. For C, beta?
2 carbon bonds are bonded together, and we need 2 more hydrogen bonds.
Very good. Then 2 more?
And
Yes.
D, yes, 2 more. Yes. And
And
in E, 3 more.
very good. Can you tell me in E carbon, how many carbon-carbon bonds are there?
In E,
Yes.
1 carbon.
And in C carbon, how many carbon-carbon bonds are there?
2.
In C carbon, how many carbon-hydrogen bonds are there?
Carbon, hydrogen.
Yes.
2.
And in E carbon, how many carbon-hydrogen bonds are there?
3.
Very good. Tell me the formula for this.
C5H12.
Very good. This is nothing but pentane. Fine.
Okay.
So pent means
Yes.
5 carbon atoms. I hope this is clearly understood by you.
Yes. Yeah.
Beta, clear? 100% clear?
Yes, 100%.
Yes. I'm just revising it very quickly. Be mindful of what I'm saying. Fine.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. I'm saying that there are organic compounds. Now, what are organic compounds? Organic compounds are the compounds which mainly have carbon bondings. Fine. which mainly
Yes.
have carbon bondings. We can have some, Abdur beta is fine with me. Don't worry. Don't hesitate on that. That's fine. Don't worry. Relax. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry for that. It's just that you are in the class. That's fine. I don't have any issues.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry for that. No issues. Let the work be done. No issues. I'm saying
Okay.
in organic compounds, the main is the carbon atom. Fine.
Yes.
And the bonding of carbon atoms with other atoms based on what is the bonding left. Fine.
Yes.
Now, one type of organic compound is the hydrocarbon compounds. Yes.
Yes.
And one type of hydrocarbon compounds is the alkane. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
And alkanes can be methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, etc. Depending on the number of carbon atoms present in the compound.
Hexane is
Yes,
also
yes,
there, right?
yes, yes. See, what is the difference in here? We just kept on changing the number of carbon atoms. Yes.
Oh yeah.
So
Yes.
if
And
we have
hydrogen.
6 carbon atoms, that means obviously hydrogen atoms will change based on the number of carbon atoms. Yes.
C6H14.
Very good. Very good. So I hope you have understood it. Fine.
Yes.
Beta, open your camera.
Okay. Now.
Yeah. So now since we have understood it, what alkanes are and what hydrocarbon compounds are. Fine.
Yes.
So this was something that we were studying, that oil, which is the crude oil, which is derived from the ocean beds and the sea beds, right? Why? Because it is found there. It is formed there due to the decomposition of aquatic sea, ocean creatures and plants. Yes. Over
Yes.
millions of years. Then it gradually changes to oil and natural gas. Okay. Now when it is found in the seabeds, obviously it is found in the seabed, it will be found in the seabed. Yes.
Yes.
When it is already found, when it is present in the seabed, then it has different kinds of hydrocarbon compounds. Okay. And
Yes.
all
Okay.
of those different hydrocarbon compounds are of some use to us. Fine. What is our job is that if we actually separate out those hydrocarbon compounds from that oil, fine, from that oil, then we can actually use them. Is it clear? See, that
Yes.
is nothing but I say, this is one ball. It has A, B, C, D, E, F, all the alphabets. These are all together right now. So they are of no use. But what if I say I take out B, I take out F, I take out A, I take out E, I take out C, I take out D, and then use them separately, fine? So that is the concept. Oil is a mixture of all those hydrocarbon compounds. But what is our job and what do we need is that we separate those compounds out to actually use them. Okay?
Okay.
Is it 100% clear?
Yes.
Yes. So now we are moving on to the next part. That is, just give me a second. What is exactly what your chapter says? So, yes, can you tell me where is the oil found?
Um.
Where is it formed? Tell me, where is it formed?
Oil.
Yeah.
Oil is found in like.
Seabeds, yes, ocean beds.
Oh yeah. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, fine, no issues. So if I ask you where is it found, you will obviously tell me seabeds, ocean beds, and the places where earlier it was sea and ocean, but now they have dried up. It's still in the base. It will be found. Yes,
Yes.
yes, beta.
Yes.
Yes. So these are some of the places where the oil is found. Okay. Now I will discuss in detail how do we take that out. But as of now, just imagine we take that out using some machines. Okay. Now, once the oil is there, using some machines, we transport it and then we bring it to your use. Now, our main focus is that how do we separate those compounds? How do we?
How do? Why I did not hear you?
Why did you not hear it?
I don't know. Something came.
You are doing something. You are doing something better, right? You are doing something. You are typing something continuously. What is that?
No, I'm writing on the book.
Writing in the
Book.
Show me. Where are you writing? Show me. Show me like this.
This part of it.
Okay, fine. So what I'm saying is that once the oil is found, it is actually drilled, taken out using some machines, then transported to the factories. Now our main focus is that how do we separate out the different hydrocarbon compounds or different alkanes present in the oil? Fine. That is our
Okay.
main. Now we just now saw that there can be different kinds of alkanes based on the different carbon atoms. Yes.
Yes.
Fine. So in the same way, there are different kinds of hydrocarbon compounds also. Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Fine. But right now we'll just study about alkanes. Is it okay?
Yes.
So in the next class, I'm going to start exactly how do we do all of this. This was just a basics to make you understand what are hydrocarbon compounds. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm hoping that it is clear to you.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me, why are hydrocarbon compounds found in the oil? Why is oil made up of hydrocarbon compounds? Can you tell me that?
Because hydrocarbon compounds are having
Yes, beta.
because
Yes. Think over it and tell me.
uh,
See, hydrocarbon compounds are a type of organic compounds.
yes.
And
Yeah.
oil. Yes, tell me.
They are type of organic compounds.
Yes, but that's not my answer. My question is, why are hydrocarbon compounds found in the oil? See, because petrol or the oil, not petrol, rather the petroleum and the oil, right? The crude oil is formed when organic matter decomposes in the sea, on the seabed. When the temperature and the pressure is high under anaerobic respiration or the decomposition, yes? And the organic
Yes.
matter has hydrocarbons in them, has organic compound in them. That is why the oil has hydrocarbon compounds due to the decomposition of living organisms to form the oil. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Have you understood it now?
Yeah.
In the next class, beta, all these concepts should be very clear so that I don't have to repeat them again and we can actually start on to our main chapter.
Okay.
Please be clear with every and all the concepts, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Go through the book in detail, the first 2 to 3 pages, okay? Go through
Okay.
your I think your book obviously is, it's the same book, yes? Please show me your book once, just through the camera. Yes, open chapter number 13 or 12, whatever it is.
Chapter 13 is limestone.
Just a second, I'm sharing the screen with you, just a second. See, is there, it's chapter 11.
Chapter. Oh. Yes.
Fine. Now, listen, go through the first page. Fine. Go through the first page, that is 139. Fine.